I don't want you asking, can I hold time? That's a no, bro. What's up, YouTube, man? We back here with another video. As y'all can tell by the title, I'm gonna be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how to grow your gaming channel. For me, you guys, as you can tell, I started with zero subscribers, you know what I'm saying? And then I found, like the last video I showed you guys, I told you what games to play and what's the trending games. So with me, I took advantage of that. Also, as I kept playing video games, I learned that it's not all about just playing video games. You know, you also have to promote yourself. You know, you have to take some time off the game and go search on YouTube to see what's out there and what you can get better from. You know what I'm saying? For example, like every day, I don't live stream for hours and hours every day. What I do is the times that I'm not playing the games, I'll go to YouTube and search up whatever game I'm interested in, and then I go check out the subscribers. I don't watch big streamers. I go for little streamers, medium streamers, you know, mid-high, you know, like 1K, 2K, or 500, you know, and I go up in their chat and conversate with them, so then they can get a feel for who I am. Because when you're approaching people, they be like, if I go up in your channel and be like, hey, can you check me out on YouTube? They're gonna be like, yo, this is your first comment. Like, why would I go check you out? You know, because I haven't had a conversation with them. So what I tend to do is I go up in people's channel, sit there for a little minute, comment, you know, how you doing, all of this stuff, and then I'd be like, you know, I tell them what I'm here for and how I got here, and then I'd be like, you might as well, you know, can you check out my channel? They'd be like, sure, why not? So that's how I'll get new people. And then when I'm in their chat talking, the people that's in their chat that's talking to them, they're gonna check me out as well. So that's like 3, 4, 5, 6 subscribers I'm gaining within 10 minutes. I'm, you know, just investing my time. Also, another thing to do is, you know, just when you play the game, try to promote yourself. Try not to play the game with a lot of your friends. That, you know, it's not okay, because then it's taken away from subscribers or people that want to subscribe to you. You know, it's taken away from that. So I try to keep it a bare minimum of like 2 people I want to play with. You know, some days on multiplayer, you know, Call of Duty. As you can tell on my page, I play a lot of COD. You know, so yeah. Also, another thing that's really good for your channel is to, when you get 1K or 2K, please try not to put your channel on subscriber mode only. What that mean, and what I'm trying to say is, when random people like me come into your chat, I can't be able to type unless I've subscribed. Please give people the option to subscribe. You're not giving them the option to subscribe, because you telling them subscribe or you won't be able to chat with me. And that's not fair, because then you can't grow a bond with somebody who you want to sub to. Like, for example, I leave my channel open to everybody, to people that can come and spam. You know, that's why I have Nightbot to time them out, you know. So if you leave your channel open for people to conversate with you, it's giving them a chance to give you a chance, if you get what I'm trying to say. So if somebody randomly come in my chat and start talking to me, now I can see the chat and I can start talking to them, because people feed off energy. People don't feed off what they see right then and there. I can come to your page and be like, oh, I like it, you know. But then if I send a comment to you in the chat and you don't respond back to it, I'm like, you disrespecting me, because I'm trying to support you, but you're not respecting me at the end of the day. So that's for one. I want all the subscribers with 1K, 2K, 3K. If you don't have 400K, please, 400K or 100K and up, you know, keep your channel off subscriber mode only. It's not going to help you grow, you know. You think it's going to help you grow because you like, oh, people have to sub up, you know, in order to, you know, talk to me. Well, that's a bad habit. Don't ever think like that. And if you also doing this YouTube stuff for money or to look good, it's not for you, because then you get impatient. You know what I'm saying? You get impatient. You start saying, man, this is not for me. You're not having fun with the games. You know what I'm saying? Like, we all go through a phase where we, you know, play the game, and then we catch attitudes because they cheating or he hit you with something that you wasn't expecting. You know, that comes with that. Attitudes come with playing video games, but not doing it because you want to do it, but doing it just because you see other people doing it and they, being successful, you never gonna grow. That's just a tip of mine, what I experience, not experience, but what I see out there in the world. Also, as you get better at the game and as you like start gaining subscribers and stuff, try to get better at thumbnails. Try to go out there and it's time to invest money, like real life, your money out your pocket, because when you do that, then people, people feed off what they see first. I'm not talking about conversations in the chat. I'm talking about when you scrolling through YouTube and you see it say how to grow a gaming channel, and you see a nice thumbnail, what you gonna do? Are you gonna scroll past it or are you gonna click it? Because 100%, 99.9% of the time, if I see a fire thumbnail, I'm gonna click that thumbnail first, and I'm gonna see what it is. You know what I'm saying? It's thumbnails and titles. If your title seem legit and what people looking for, they gonna go right to it. Your thumbnail, people gonna go right to it because they like, let's see what's over here. Let's see what's over here. Why it looks so good. So that's what I learned. So as I started growing, as you guys can tell, as I started growing, I learned to start putting my own money out of my pocket into my channel, because then when you start getting monetized, when you get monetized, people start giving that money back to you. Not saying like, oh, you want the money, but they start seeing how hard you progress over time. Then they start investing their own money into you. So then now you can start using your money out your pocket to invest in your channel, which is get better thumbnails, get better quality on your streams, not live stream off the PS5 or PS4 or Xbox. You can get a PC, nice mics and nice mouse and keyboard, nice overlays on your stuff, just stuff like that in general. So that's what I learned as growing on my YouTube channel, being successful, as a small streamer and stuff like that. So I feel like it's good to to progress and want to do it, not because other people doing it and you see they growing. Also, another important tip is to engage in your chat. If you get what I mean, I'm not saying like, what's up everybody? I'm saying like, say their names, get used to them, crack jokes with them, make them feel comfortable, make them want to stay in your chat. For example, if I invite you to my house and you have fun the first day, guess what? And then I invite you again a week later, you gonna come immediately. You gonna say, yeah, I like it over there, I want to come again. But then if you come to my house the first time and you don't have a good time, and then I ask you next week like, hey, you want to come over my house? You gonna hesitate. Because you like, damn, I had a bad experience the first time. I don't really want to go. You know what I'm saying? So when people new come to your chat, I don't care if you die in the game, honestly. Respond to them because they taking their time out their day to come in your chat and support you, or at least conversate with you. You know what I'm saying? You know how hard it is for me to go into people's chat and literally want to talk to them? You know what I'm saying? It's hard because then I do this myself. I play the video games, myself, I live stream myself, and it's just hard for me to go in other people's chat and conversate with them because I don't know if they're going to respond back or respond back in a certain amount of time, So I feel like respect people when they come to your chat, because that's the most important thing on how you grow. That's the number one important thing on how you grow on YouTube. I promise. It works for real. What is it's nothing else. No, I don't think so. But just overall, just treat everybody with respect. Make sure that you also having fun playing the game, not just because, like I said, other people doing it, but just you want to be there. Make sure that you have the energy. Make sure you have a set schedule as well. Like right now, I'm in school still, so I live stream after 6 p.m. because if I live stream like at 3 o'clock, everybody's still in school because we're in different time zones. So then I'm not gaining any viewers, and I'm just live streaming just a live stream. And then some of my subscribers be like, why you wasn't live? I'm like, whole time I was live, you was just in school. So try to get a set schedule for your chat, so then they can understand like when you live, or how long you gonna be live, what days you gonna be live, and just all of that stuff in general. You know what I'm saying? So it's important to, you know, build. It's important. Oh yeah, man. I think that's all what I got for y'all today. It was I try to make it as quick and fast and important as possible, you know. But yeah. So if you can listen, you can not listen. You know what I'm saying? You know, take whatever you want from it. You know. But like I said, I live stream every day after 7 o'clock. I also drop videos. I also do rebirth customs on Fridays and Saturdays. And I'm here to have fun, man. If y'all have any questions, drop it in the comments below. You can also add my Instagram right here. I just dropped it. And just if you have any questions, like I said, hit me up. You know, I respond back fast on social media, on everything, YouTube, comments, everything. It all pops up on my phone, so I see it. So, you know, I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Hit that like and subscribe button. And do not forget to turn on that post notification so you know when I'm dropping, man. Peace. Yes, sir.